Big data is a term that I think a lot of people are using quite widely, and there's loads of different definitions on it. Really, the most simple way to think about big data is that it's just a collection of an enormous amount of data, thus the big, but inevitably it's in a quite defined subject area. You know, for example, the supermarket frequent buyer cards. You go in, you swipe your card at your local supermarket, and with that swiping of the card comes every product that you've just bought. And it does that time after time after time after time. And then eventually a pattern gets built up about what you buy and the specials that you've been responding to. So then the organisation that owns that data can then use that for marketing just to you. Imagine you're a large retailer and you've got a loyalty card, and you've got someone who walks into the store and a little sensor goes beep and they know that you've just walked in. And then you walk around the store and you're looking at one product over here and you're looking at another product over here, and all of that movement around the store gets tracked within the big data environment. And maybe up on the screen of the sales assistant it comes up and it says, Fred Bloggs has just walked into the store and this is their buying history. And then maybe it asks a couple of questions. What's the weather like outside, and who is Fred shopping with today, and is Fred carrying a bag, for example. And the sales assistant answers those questions and then gets an offer. The predictive analytics tools then go through all of that buying history, through all the tracking history about where Fred's gone in the store, and understands the questions, and then comes back with an offer that Fred is likely to respond to. And then the sales assistant can walk up to Fred and say, Fred, did you know that we can offer you this today at this discount? Or, there's a 2-for-1 offer on, this and this and this. And if that's something you're interested in, then we can do that right now. Another example of using big data is, say, within the insurance industry. Insurance companies get calls every day about, making claims and whatever. And they need to be able to assess whether something is likely to be fraudulent or not, as quickly as possible. So if the agent who's taking a call can ask some relevant questions, put that information into his or her computer, and get feedback immediately from a predictive analytics application that says, this is a red flag and needs some further investigation, find out about this and this and this, and then the agent can ask those questions. Or we're going to defer this off to someone that needs for further investigation. And they can do that right on the spot. The insurance companies have been able to save a lot through this, and they've been able to make savings in 2 ways. First of all, they've been able to decrease the overheads in following up on potential fraudulent claims, and they've been able to decrease the actual number of fraudulent claims as well.